Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by saving your files and closing all Office applications to avoid data loss. This also frees resources. Next, check Windows Update and your Office build so you know whether a patch is missing. Then, open Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft Office, and run the quick repair. This fixes common corrupt files without reinstalling. Once done, restart your machine to apply changes and verify whether the original issue persists before proceeding to deeper steps. Now isolate extensions and profiles because most intermittent errors come from add-ins or corrupted profiles. Start Word or Outlook in safe mode to load without add-ins. If the problem disappears, you've found a lead. Then go to File, Options, Add-ins, and selectively disable or remove recently installed add-ins to identify the culprit. If issues persist, create and sign into a new Windows user profile to determine whether your user settings are corrupt. Make sure to test each change one at a time to track cause and effect. Finally, escalate to online repair or a full reinstall if quick repair and isolation didn't work. Online repair replaces all program files and often resolves deep corruption. Also check file permissions, antivirus blocking, and mapped network paths that can interrupt templates or autosave. If you still fail, collect Office diagnostic logs, note exact error codes, and export a list of installed add-ins before wiping settings. This saves time if you need admin or vendor support. One key tip: always back up custom templates and settings first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.